Friends, SURFPATCH command in AutoCAD creates a new 3D surface by fitting a cap over holes in surface. For demonstration purpose, I am making a hole in a 3D object with the whole help of press pull command. Thereafter, we'll make a cap on it. Type SURFPATCH in the command line and select the edges of this surface. And you see the hole is patched. Now in another example we will make a hole with the help of subtract command. Again we will type SURFPATCH in the command line and select the boundaries of the cut surface and press enter. We can adjust the bulge magnitude by putting a value between 0 and 1, default value being 0.5. Press enter to complete the task. After creation, we can open the properties panel and change the continuity, bulge values and color properties of the patched surface. If you find this tutorial useful, please like and subscribe.